on, guys? This is Wade with Trade ATS. I'm going to do a little bit of a different video today. I'm going to be talking to you about Bitcoin. A lot of our subscribers are interested in cryptocurrencies. A lot of them are holding cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. So they are, interested in this space, and I've been getting a lot of questions that our subscribers are asking. It's like, where is the bottom? When are we going to hit the true point of capitulation, where everyone gives up and then the market turns around and starts heading up for another run? Long term, people believe in this technology. They believe in blockchain. So the overall consensus is that the pricing will go up. If Bitcoin emerges as the leader, then it's already hit near 20,000. That's the active high that we've seen. So as long as it stays around, it should eventually climb back up there. But where is the bottom? When's the best time to get in? So what I'm going to show you here is I'm going to show you the capitulation points according to our ATS algorithm. And it's kind of scary. I know it's going to be scary for some, especially the people got suckered in at the top, bought in at between 15 and 20,000 when it was hot in 2017, the end of 2017. I feel bad for those people, but this thing is there's a good chance it's going to retrace much lower than we are now. And I want to give you guys some hard levels to deal with when basing, if you're going to invest in this thing. These are the levels that I would look at. So I'm going to start over here on the weekly chart. And as you can see on our software, these are what we call liquidity lines. And liquidity lines represent the price levels in which traders that are in trades where their beliefs are going to change about that future price. It's where their beliefs, if they had bought, in this case, when you get to these, that's when their beliefs are going to be challenged. So what you see down here on our weekly chart is that we got a bunch of liquidity lines here. And these are literally between, these are under the $1,000 mark for Bitcoin. You have a lot of long-term big holders at that level. And I can honestly say, like, right now we're filling a gap between, we were stuck around the $5,000 to $6,000 mark with very little volatility. And then the Bitcoin Cash war and all that stuff came out and we had that big drop. I think we could be filling the gap all the way down to the $1,000 range. I hate to say it. I know it's scary for a lot of people that are holding Bitcoin to hear that. But honestly, I think that is definitely reasonable to happen. Once we get down there, we're going to start opening up new liquidity because people that had bought before 2017 are still holding profitable positions. And until their beliefs are challenged, they're going to keep holding and holding. When we get there, that is going to be the true level of capitulation down in that $1,000 range. Like I said, sad to say it, scary to say it, but that is the truth. Now, will we get down there? We could not get quite down there, but I'm going to tell you right now, if we do get down there and you are looking to invest, that's where you're going to get a huge reaction to the upside. You're going to get a lot of people that are giving up, and that's when those levels is when the market reverses. If we look at the daily here, you can see we got that big cloud of liquidity. We got a few more gapping levels here. So we got liquidity at 31.41. So people that have bought in this last kind of retracement are hoping that we're going to turn. They're going to give up at 31.41 roughly. So that should cause a down move. And then we got 26.01, 24.38. Then we got another patch of liquidity that's in a release at 17.85, and then the mother load is down below $1,000, as you can see. So these are the levels. If you're looking to invest in Bitcoin, these are the levels you want to be taking a look at. So just remember these. You don't need to use our software or anything. I just want to put this out there. Your hard levels to deal with are 31.28. Down in that between these two is going to be around 2,500. Then we got 1,700, and then the mother load is at under 1,000, 944, 950. That's when we hit the huge cloud. That's when all the long-term holders are going to be challenged, and that's going to be the bargain price if you are looking to invest in Bitcoin. Now, you can keep layering in. I know a lot of people are averaging in. They're buying a little here, buying a little there. These are all still great prices because the bottom line is if Bitcoin survives, we're going back to 20,000. We're going to challenge that high. So obviously any of these prices are a bargain, but if you're putting half your net worth in at this, at this level, we're at, around $3,400, $3,500 range, and it goes to 1,000, you're going to be like, oh, crap, what am I going to do? So anyway, I wanted to put this video out there so you guys have these hard levels to work with. These are the levels. If you're going to invest, remember, it's going to be around 3,100. We should probably end up having a break, or we may reverse from there. And then 2,500, 16 to 1,700, and then 1,000 are the levels to deal with. So keep that in mind, and reference this video and these charts. You got the levels, there they are. And you will see big reactions at every single one of these points. Now, I don't know if it'll be the actual turn, but you will for sure. We almost always get a reaction. You can see in the past with liquidity lines, we get this another line that we use in our system called expansion. When you get those expansion lines, they show you the level where we're going to move from, and then the liquidity lines give you that's kind of the guiding points between where you're going to get the price reactions, and you can use those levels to time your entries and your exits as well. So anyway, those are the hard levels. Don't want to go too much more into technical details. Hopefully this video helps people that are very interested in where Bitcoin price is going. Just look at those key levels, and that should definitely help you make decisions. And do not be surprised if you see Bitcoin at $1,000, okay? Because look at the weekly, we're filling a big gap right now between that $6,000 range and 1,000. So you can see right here, probably over the next 2-3 months, we can see that drop all the way back down to that $1,000 range. But if you are saving up, that's when, if you're going to invest in Bitcoin, there's no guarantees. Obviously, you make your own decisions. Disclaimer there. You make your own trades. I'm not telling you to get in or anything. But those are the levels you want to look at if you want to get the best deals. So anyway, hopefully this video helps. And if you guys have any questions about our system, always feel free to visit us at tradeats.com. We are currently accepting subscribers. If you are interested in learning more about our methodology, we'll be happy to help you there too. So anyway, till then, we will see you guys on the next video.